Next on the list we got Musgrave Texture, so go add texture and you got right here Musgrave. This texture is good to build some landscapes, some metal materials, some rust, or maybe some bump nodes. Now you got right here 1D, this doesn't have effect on my plane, from black to white. 2D, I already got the pattern. It uses basically X and Y direction, so if you are using 2D, just use 2D. 3D, if you are building some 3D object, some sphere or whatever, just use 3D. And 4D, if you want to have more control on this 3D object, just use 4D. You got right here the value, yes, that you can change. Now you got right here different patterns, and basically this is the same pattern with more detail, so I'm gonna just choose multifractal or whatever. I got the same pattern. I'm just gonna connect by here the matte node with power, and I'm gonna show you, yes, the value maybe 50. I got this pattern, yes. Now if I'm gonna change this to F whatever, FBM, yes, and play around on the power right here, I'm gonna have the same pattern basically both on the edges. Wait, yes, right here I got the same pattern like the previous one, yes, with more kind of stuff. Now you got this hybrid, the same pattern, yes, this stuff, and I got the edges. It's good to basically combine if you want to build some landscapes or whatever, yes, combine two together. So if you want to have some sharper edges, just choose this and just duplicate this, combine together, and you can fill this up with different values, yes, and you got this kind of value. And once again, if I'm gonna just turn this, I got the same pattern. Now I'm gonna just connect this right here and change this from 2D right here, so 4D to 2D, and I'm gonna change this to whatever right here, header or trans. Now the scale, if you are scaling this, as you can see, the scale has effect right here but not in the corner, yes. So if you want to change this, very simple trick, just textures coordinate from object right here to the vector, and I'm gonna scale this from the middle. I hope you can see it, yes. I'm gonna show you, yes. I'm just scaling this from the right here from the center, but if I'm gonna just disconnect this, I'm just scaling this on this right here corner. You got the detail, of course, this is the detail on this stuff, and you're just controlling the detail with dimension right here, yes. So this is important stuff. If I'm gonna just bump the detail up, you don't see the difference, but if I'm gonna just change the dimension right here, like this, I got more detail right here in the middle. So you are playing around, and whatever this value is, this basically just control two right here together, yes. If I'm gonna just crop this up, I got more detail. If I'm gonna just crop this to the 0, I got less detail, yes. So I have the control right here on the detail and dimension right here. And you got the offset, basically this just offset the right here, the pattern. Now I'm gonna show you very quickly on the bump node that you can use this. So just connect this Musgrave Texture. I'm gonna connect this to the bump right here, because you can use this, like I said, on some landscapes or maybe on some bump, normal to normal, yes. Search for the bump node, and this just go to the height, yes. So you can use this, like I said, on some desert stuff or some rust, yes, pattern. So you can create cool shit using this stuff. And if you want to have, like I said, more detail or whatever, just crop the right here, play around on those 3 dimensionals right here, yes. I can change this. I got the same pattern. Like I said, it's good to use this on the landscapes, on some deserts, on some rust or some metallic, yes, material. If you are building this, this just changing, and I'm gonna show you the offset. Just change basically a little bit, yes, the pattern, yes, right here. So you can build cool stuff using this shit, guys. Subscribe if you like this content. Bye, guys.